This video is aimed at professional service technicians and users proficient with mechanical and electrical repairs. Thoroughly test after any repair work. Hi, in this video, we will demonstrate how you can replace the battery wires if they, for example, suffer a mechanical damage or severe oxidation that can no longer be polished away. You will need the new wire with the solder splice heat shrink sleeve, as well as some basic tools, including cable cutters, wire strippers, paper, permanent marker, and a hot air gun. To start, cut the damaged wire and remove it. Thread the new wire through the opening on the platform and bend it by 90 degrees. Now mark the length of the wire so that they overlap by about 10 millimeters. Cut the excess wire. And strip about 10 to 12 millimeters of insulation on both sides of the wire. Insert the solder splice heat shrink sleeve on one side of the wire. Fray the wire on both ends so that you create gaps between the individual strands of the wire. Put the wires together to intertwine the strands and smoothen the connection by fingers. Once you get it nice and neat, pull over the solder splice heat shrink sleeve so that the solder ring is positioned in the middle of the intertwined wire connection. It helps if you slightly rotate the sleeve. Make sure that all the wire strands go inside the heat shrink sleeve. Press it all together one more time. Now take one sheet of copy paper and fold it twice so that you get 4 layers of paper. Place it underneath the wire for heat protection of the plastic platform when you operate the hot air gun. Turn the heat gun on and set it to about 300 degrees Celsius or about 570 degrees Fahrenheit and blow the hot air onto the solder splice heat shrink sleeve. Do this for about 3 or 4 minutes until you see that the solder has molten and penetrated between the wire strands and the sleeve is tightly wrapped around the wire along its entire length. Make sure you move the heat gun side to side. Don't stay too long on one spot. Let it cool. Remove the paper and you are ready for reassembly of the platform into your AirBuddy.